Hi friends, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Today I am with a very general and very important tutorial. In this we will cover some basic things. Uh, just pray that I don't forget any step because I had not written on any notepad or any other kind of file. But I would like to cover anything thoroughly. Okay, let's take a start. Most of the people in a society they complain that the computer run very slow. So I dedicate this video just to overcome on this problem and make your computer work faster. First of all, I need to run few commands that is also available in a lot of videos on YouTube. But yep, we need to run it. What I do, I write here prefetch, prefetch, then I hit enter, and then I hit continue. A lot of file will come here. There is unnecessary file. I press delete, and the file that is required for the system will not be deleted. Then I write again. I hold the window button, and then I press R, and then I write temp. What temp mean is the temporary file that is not required for your computer, but it's just a log or a kind of cache or a kind of things that you run in the previous days but not required at the moment. They're just populating your computer with unnecessary file. Okay, I press continue on it. There might be file that needed for computer. I click on this to all current file and skip it. The file that are required for computer will remain here, and the other unnecessary file will get deleted. Alright, temp again, but I closed it, percentage sign, and these are the file that might be half downloaded or kinda temporary log. When you turn on your computer to communicate with the internet with your own manufacturer, different application manufacturer, and they create a log which is no more required for you. So I press delete again and watch it. It's the, oh my god, that's too much. I seen the last figure was 590 MB. It's almost half GB. It will be deleted, and the things that I need, my computer need to run, will remain here. I close everything. So these three commands are, I guess, present in every video on YouTube, but I still have further to tell you in this video. Uh, you need to make your desktop very clean. Like I had this kind of file that are not required. So better if you go and delete each and every one that is not required for you, or you can place somewhere else. Better you delete it, and the things that are pinned on your taskbar down here. I have a lot of things open. For example, if I put it here, if I pin it to the task to the start button, oh, it's pinned to the start button. If I pin it here down, down to this tray, so it will be a little bit difficult for Windows to take a start because it need to process these things. So that's why I suggest you people to unpin such things which are here in this in this taskbar. And one thing more, you need to check on your startup applications, startups, and you need to watch this. I don't think I need this internet download manager to take a start because it will make my computer to boot up a little bit slower. Neither I need you And there might be Skype, which is very high. I don't need Skype to boot directly with my computer because I want to make my computer to wake up faster, man. So better I down these things, and there might be a lot of apps in your computer. So better you turn it off. Okay, and one thing more, you can empty the recycle bin as well. And another thing, if you have a CC cleaner, that will be great, awesome. Better you do it. And one more step, right click on C, and then properties. Better you do desk cleanup. This will also do a lot of things, and it would be great if you press compress also. It will minimize a little bit of your space. And I go here and I write fragmentation, disk fragmentation. Okay, it might be available here somewhere. Disk defragmentation. What the defragmentation do, here is optimization, that's called the defragmentation. Click on it, optimize. That will defragment your optimize your drive. If I click on it, Uh, what this do, that defragmentation do, if your data is scattered on C, the head will first go to the one place and then move to the second place and to the third, fourth. So it take a little bit time for the head to read the data and show you the result, the proper result. So it's better if you defragment your data. Watch, this is 0% fragmented and it is still analyzed process, and it will get defragmented sooner. Uh, the disk cleanup will be started. It will show you the file, the record, the things that are not required, and some are important. Like if you have saved your passwords and credit card information to your browser, then better you don't erase your Firefox or Google Chrome history kind of stuff, cache kind of stuff, then better you keep it up. Otherwise, I guess you will be asked for the passwords for the accounts, everything from the beginning, and then you will ask me then what you did to my computer. Anyway, have a nice day. I guess it will boot up your computer faster and run faster.